The UN Division of Human Rights plays a crucial role in promoting and protecting human rights globally, and one notable example is the landmark case Alan da Silva Pimentel vs. Brazil, which dealt with maternal mortality and the right to timely and non-discriminatory access to healthcare. This case, decided by the Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women, established that states have a human rights obligation to ensure women have access to quality maternal health services. Here's a more detailed look. 1. The UN's role. The UN's Division of Human Rights, through various bodies like the Human Rights Council and treaty bodies, works to ensure the implementation of international human rights standards. 2. Landmark case, Alan da Silva Pimentel vs. Brazil. This case involved a Brazilian woman of African descent who died from pregnancy-related complications after receiving inadequate medical care. Her mother brought the case to the UN Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW. 3. Key findings. CEDAW found that Brazil had violated Alan's human rights by failing to ensure timely and non-discriminatory access to appropriate maternal health services. The committee also established that states are responsible for the actions of private healthcare providers they contract with. 4. Impact. This decision highlighted the importance of states' obligations to protect women's reproductive health rights and underscored the need for accessible and quality healthcare services. And 5. Broader significance. The case contributed to a growing recognition that maternal mortality is a human rights issue and emphasized the responsibility of states to address it. Other landmark cases and developments related to human rights and the UN include: 1. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR. Adopted in 1948, this document outlines fundamental human rights to be universally protected. 2. The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Adopted in 2006, this convention focuses on the rights of people with disabilities. And 3. The case of the Montana youths who won a landmark climate lawsuit. This case, based on the right to a clean and healthy environment, highlights the link between human rights and environmental protection. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.